Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII DII. We apologize for the inconvenience. There was some problem with the mic, and every time there was a problem in mic, people comment, "Sir, please fire your cameraman." I cannot fire my cameraman because my son is the cameraman. Today, the global cues were mixed. Some Asian markets were in green and some Asian markets in red. On Friday also, US market ended mixed with the Nasdaq down and Dow up. And SGX Nifty was indicating a sharp downtick of about 60-70 points. But despite that, in the pre-market, when we opened higher. And thanks to State Bank of India. If you can remember 3 months before, last time when State Bank of India declared a good results, the day it declared the results, it was up 3-4%. And the next day, in pre-market, it was up 10%. Because in pre-market, a stock can go up only 10%, not more than that. And once the market opened, it went as high as 15%. And many people were expecting that, and they bought a lot of call options, and exactly happened today. It was not 10% higher, it was nearly 3-4% higher. And the first tick in State Bank of India is a very nice number, 420. But after the market opened, the State Bank of India came down. And today, the star is the bank index. That's mainly because of State Bank of India. Now, let us look at the NSEindia.com website. If you look at the broader market, the Nifty closed just 22 points higher. This is just an absolute sideways. But look at the next 50 and look at the mid cap, look at the small cap, they all have outperformed. Look at the bank Nifty is 336 points, while the Nifty is up only 20 points. So thanks to SBI and other banking stocks. Only two sectoral indices were down, FMCG and metal. But though FMCG is down, ITC started moving higher, and next week ITC is coming out with results, and because in the recent past the ITC came down so much, ahead of the results we can expect some kind of short covering. So this is about the NSE, but look at this chart. This is a bank Nifty future. It was a nightmare for traders, especially for non-directional traders. This is a 15 minutes candle. Look at the last 1 hour. From 2:30 to 3 o'clock, the bank Nifty shot up nearly 800 points. And then from 3 to 3:30, it exactly fell the 800 points. 800 point up in half an hour, 800 point down in the next half an hour. So the total swing of 1600 points. So markets have been highly volatile. Now, let us look at the open interest. So if you look at the open interest, this is the open interest picture, and look at positionally, now the 15,000 put option has the highest open interest. So this validates my view that the trading range now shifted from 14,500 to 15,000 to 15,000 to 15,500. And you can see this is the tallest bar. So 15,000 put option has the highest open interest, and 15,500 call option has the highest open interest. But this is the cumulative. But look at the action today. This is the change in the open interest, today's action. And today, 15,000 put option, there was a huge unwinding. 15,100, this is 15,000 call option, 15,100 call option, both saw unwinding, and 15.3 call option added huge quantity. Now, if you look at this, you can see the 15,200 put option also people have sold in large quantities, and 15,300 call option also people have sold in huge quantity. So, this indicates that the people are expecting market to go sideways for next few days. A maximum of 200 point plus or 200 point minus from 15,200. Right now, if you look at the SGX Nifty is trading around 15,240, which is about 50 points higher than where we have closed. And look at the global cues. So, US futures all are higher and Europeans are mild higher. And today, once again, the market closed at second highest all-time closing high. And markets are looking bullish. And today, foreign institutional investors have bought for 585 crores. And the last half an hour selling came from domestic institutional investors who have booked the profit to the tune of 707 crores. And FIIs, usually they will start buying only at the higher level, taking the market even higher. And they will usually sell at the lower level, taking the market even lower. So, now it is a matter of time the Nifty will be hitting all-time high. So, if my guess is correct, sometime in June, we will be hitting fresh all-time high. That's what I mentioned in my pre-market report also, and yesterday Dalal Street Week Ahead program also. So, the markets are not looking bullish, so don't short the market. Now it is buy on dip market. And if you are a high risk taker, any fall towards 15,000, you can go long by keeping 14,950 stop loss, something like that. And if you are an option seller, so it's a golden period. The 14,000 put option, 14,200 put option, all you can sell. Just one last piece of information. When SEBI introduced this new peak margin, no intraday leverage and all these things, and many people thought that trading volume in NSE will go down so much. And I was also worried that my profitability will go down drastically. But when I checked my profit loss statement, it doesn't look like that. And in fact, now, I'm getting more profit than earlier. So, how I am getting more profit than earlier, I will be doing one separate video for that. And one more last announcement, I will be doing a webinar sponsored by Bombay Stock Exchange of India. So, that webinar will be next Monday. The more details I will give you in the next few days. Until then, enjoy the right bull run. Thank you for watching.